Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Clothes Loves Cheska.
Hello!
Hello, good morning, ug maayong buntag sa inyong tanan.
Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up.
Salamat sa pagtanaw sa among video.
Say hi, baby Raisha.
Hi. Just saying. Then say hi.
See ya.
See ya.
Well, they started working on the stairs, finally. Of course, it's rainy season in the Philippines. As you can see, it's pouring. And they're excited. They still have to finish the walls in the living room upstairs, which I think they start tomorrow. The next day, we're currently looking at options to get a roof put on this house. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the music's not too loud. There it is, the old barangay. I'll be the first foreigner living in that barangay. All families there. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit your thumbs up. Sorry it's a little dark, but it's a rainy day. The CR. That's the septic for the shower. Actually, they covered it over. Right there, they did a good job. They covered that over.
Mama.
Jessica's mom. Back to the stairs. They poured the cement, which is good. Takes a day or so to harden.
No. Mana.
Anyway, guys. Enjoy. Sorry for the darkness.
8 feet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We're getting one step closer to the house being finished. Get it? One step.
8. Na pagahion para nila te, then ayhan nila tangtangon. Yan.
What will the intro